English vocabulary. Animals' babies' names and their homes' names was pictures. Cow, calf, bar. Cow, calf, bar. Horse, foal, stable. Horse, foal, stable. Pig, piglet, sty. Pig, piglet, sty. Sheep, lamb, pay. Sheep, lamb, pay. Goat, kid, shed. Goat, kid, shed. Chicken, chick, coop. Chicken, chick, coop. Duck, duckling, nest. Duck, duckling, nest. Turkey, poult, coop. Turkey, poult, coop. Dog, puppy, kennel. Dog, puppy, kennel. Cat, kitten, cattery. Cat, kitten, cattery. Rabbit, kit, hutch. Rabbit, kit, hutch. Donkey, foal, stable. Donkey, foal, stable. Camel, calf, shed. Camel, calf, shed. Llama, cria, pay. Llama, cria, pay. Fish, fry, aquarium. Fish, fry, aquarium. Swan, cygnet, nest. Swan, cygnet, nest. Ostrich, chick, pay. Ostrich, chick, pay. Peacock, peachick, aviary. Peacock, peachick, aviary. Emu, chick, pay. Emu, chick, pay. Pheasant, chick, pay. Pheasant, chick, pay.